the house in Antipolo. This is Daddy's bar. Ayan. May mga bottles pero it's all empty. Hindi naman masyadong obvious na manginginom si Daddy. Okay. This is the 3rd floor. Ayan. Ito yung CR. And merong bagong nakuhang decoration si Madel. This is the fountain. Okay. And that's the bar again. We're going inside the billiard room. Ito yung billiards. Yan. It's nice, diba? Medyo kinukumutan nila para hindi maalikabukan kapag wala gumagamit. Yan. This is, ito yung mga neighbors nila dito. We're going up to the 4th floor, the rooftop. Ayan. Ito yung parang gazebo. See? We're going up to the rooftop. Ito sa spiral stairs. Like another gazebo. Pwede mag-party dito. And as well as sa baba. Ito yung baba. Yung maingay na yan, tricycle yan. So, ito na yung baba. Ayan. Yun yung kalye. Ayan, yan yung mga kapitbahay nila. Yan, yan yung mga bundok. Kaya malamig dito sa gabi. Masarap. Pero kapag mainit, talagang mainit naman. Now, we're going down again. Punta tayo sa 2nd floor. Okay? Ayan. Dito, pwede rin party place rin to. See? It's clean. They have cleaned it. Nag-hire si Madel ng mga maglilinis. We're just gonna close the billiards room. Baba tayo sa 2nd floor. Ito yung stairs. Medyo nakakapagod lang umakyat baba. And then there's another CR, comfort room here. And then, ito yung parang living room dito sa 2nd floor. And ito yung Christmas tree. Ito yung lumang Christmas tree sa Pasig na inilagay na dito. They have put it up also. And we're going to the master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. It's big with a big bed. It's a king size bed. Ayan. Ito yung kwarto. Ito yung salamin. And then, we're going to the bathroom. Malaki rin yung bathroom with a bathtub and shower. Ayan. Yan pa ang cellphone ko. Ito yung bed. Here are my things. Tapos ito yung children's room. Pero hindi naman sila natutulog dito. You will see a High School Musical, and this is the double deck for the 2 kids. Ayan. Labas tayo dito sa may terrace. Dito nagsasampay ng mga labada sila Chivas. Ayan, meron silang parol, slide, another spiral stairs. Tapos dito parang, it's another room. Pero ginawa nilang parang bodega. Tapos dito rin sila nagsasampay ng mga things, ng mga damit nila kapag medyo tuyo na. para hindi maalikabukhan sa labas. Pero pwede rin siyang gawing room. Oo. Ayan. Base na ba siya? Tapos, baba tayo sa first floor. Ito, medyo pababa na naman. Katarik yung... Ito yung dirty kitchen where they put the washing machine, yung mga kaldero nila. Tapos ito yung dining table na hindi dapat dining table. Ito, dito sila nagluluto. And this is another kitchen. And here's the sala. Ito yung kwarto nila Chibas.
Hello. Welcome to San Francisco.
I-upload ko to sa Facebook, boss.
San Francisco.
Ayan. Ito yung...
Hi to TFC subscribers.
Ito yung kwarto nila. Meron rin silang sariling bathroom.
This is our love nest.
Ayan, may baby na. Ito ang laptop nila. And then, this is the maid's room with the bathroom. Ito yung sala. Ito yung TV room. See? There. And then, ito yung TV room. Sira na yung sopa nila. So, you have to send some money to buy a new one. Ito yung garahe. See, they have an aquarium also. And there's the city, the car, kotse ni Chibas. Asan si Hero? Hero! Nandyan ba? Ayan. O mami, magpadala ka ng pambili ng dining chairs kasi tatatlo na lang yung dining chairs nila. Ayan. Okay. Bye.